Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to do. Well, as we know, over the last few weeks with the war in the Ukraine going on, it's been a lot of volatility, as we can see here. The S&P 500 has been up a lot, it's been down a lot, it's been up a lot. It's kind of all over the place. And what that means is volatility has gone up as well. And as volatility-based traders, we enjoy having volatility in the market. Most people don't like it, but as volatility-based traders, we actually like it. So we've made trades in the indices as of late, and when the market gets really volatile, I prefer to stay in indices or ETFs because that's less risk overall, because usually an ETF is kind of a conglomeration of many stocks in one. If you just pick one stock in a really volatile market, who knows? It can have a huge up or down day where if you pick, let's say this, the S&P 500, the SPY ETF, this is 500 stocks all lumped together. So the odds of those moving extremes up and down is a lot less. And as you can see, even the S&P 500 has moved a lot, but an individual stock may have gone way up or down during this time. Anyways, that being said, what are we going to trade? Well, in this case, we're going to go over to gold, because gold has been on quite a bit of a tear. Usually when things get volatile in the market, when the market starts to kind of go all over the place, people in general like to start buying gold. They get scared, and gold is kind of the go-to move when you're scared. That's kind of how the market generally goes. So as the market's been volatile over the last few months, as I just showed you, guess what? Gold's kind of shot off to the moon. And you can see as well, the volatility of gold is way up as well. In fact, right now, whoops, it's at 100. So it's right at the peak. It's at the highest it's been for the last year, basically. So perfect time to start trading. And what we're going to do here is, because gold's been on such a tear, I'm going to do my normal iron condor, which means I want it obviously to stay between two numbers. But I'm going to what they call skew it to the downside, which is I'm going to basically make my call side closer to the stock price than my put side, because I want to give it more room to go down than up. Just a personal assumption. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right. As a contrarian, that just means how I'm going to set up my trade. So because it's gone on such a tear, as I mentioned over the last few weeks, I'm going to make a bet that it basically hangs here, or if it goes up, it's not going to go up as much as it might potentially come down. So if we go to the trade page, you'll see this. We're going to go right here to the 39-day monthly expiration cycles. That'll be 38 days tomorrow when you open this up. I've already set this up to save us some time. Again, the stock here is, let's just say it's 184. So I'm going $9 up on the call side, and 184 is $13 down on the put side. So again, that's what I'm skewing. I'm making the call side closer than the put side. I'm giving it more room to the downside than the upside. It can still go up almost $10 from here and stay in my range, but it can go down $14 and stay in my range. And as always, we're going to buy the call and the put to turn this into a $2 wide iron condor, and we're always looking to collect at least 66 cents or more on this trade. So that's the trade for tomorrow. Right now it's fine, 67, 66 or more, we're good. So when the market opens up tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We'll go, let's say, $10 up on the call side, $14 down on the put side, and set up this iron condor that's $2 wide. If we don't collect 66 cents, we will start bringing sides in closer. Me personally, I'll probably start bringing in the call side a little closer, but it really depends on your assumption. You might bring the put side closer if you think it's going to stay at this higher range. So that is our trade for tomorrow in GLD, which is gold. Hello everybody, Cal here with what I believe is an exciting opportunity. But just before we get started, I want to make sure you're aware that I do have quite a few courses up on Udemy. All the ones that are available are listed here. And some people don't know that these first three here are an actual three-part series. So number one in the series would be understand options, number two would be basic option strategies, and number three would be make and manage profitable trades. Again, if you're taking one, now you know that it's a three-part series. You might want to take part 2 and 3, or if you're in 2, take 3, etc. And then I have a couple extra courses there as well. But the purpose of this video is because I want to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. And the best way I've come up with to do that is by offering an alert system where you see me trading in real time, making and managing my trades. So if you go to sharpertrades.com and you click on the products button here, you'll see these two pop up: option basic alert and Option Pro Alert. They both contain the alert system. The only difference with the Pro is it has a 13 course bundle. It has every course I've ever made, many of which aren't even available on Udemy. But what I'm offering you today is a deal on the alert because I really want to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. Look, knowledge is power, but if you don't put that knowledge to use, then really what's the benefit of learning all this stuff in the end? So to get you up and running as quickly as possible, I've created a code here, basic option FB1. Again, I want to make sure you're aware it's only for the basic alert. It's not going to apply to the pro. But if you do this now, I'm offering $1 for the first month because I want to get you to try this alert system, see if it's something you can use and get you up and trading quickly. Just so you're aware, I do 2 to 3 alerts per week, 2 to 3 trades, and I also manage my profitable trades as well. So I send out alerts for the closing trades for the profitable ones as well. 2 to 3 opening trades per week. So if you go there now, type in this basic option FB1 for the option basic trade alert, you will get it for $1 for the first month. After that, it'll automatically kick into $49 a month if you stick with it. But as you can see here, I want you to be aware you can cancel this at any time. You can stay for 1 month, you can stay for 6 months, whatever you find beneficial to you and your trading. But I want to at least give you the opportunity to see real trading in real time and how it's done. So again, as always, thank you for your support and I hope to see you soon.